Hi my lovelies, welcome back to another video. I'm Kat and today I'm going to be making a beautiful heart chunky knit wreath. And all you're going to need is acrylic wool, which I will link below, and a wreath frame, which I will link below. If you're new here, please also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love that, and I love all of your comments as well. I answer every single one of them. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it. What you're going to need for this project is a heart frame and about 200-gram ball of acrylic super bulky wool. I'm going to take the end of this and we'll start at the bottom of the heart, and we are going to make a knot around the heart. So we're going to kind of put that at the bottom, and then we're going to pass this underneath and then pop that on top, across, and then make a loop with this one. So we're going to hold it like this, and then we're going to take the end of the yarn and pop it in the loop like this. And then because we want to be consistent with our pattern, we've got to take the whole yarn and kind of make sure it's on the outside, and then we're going to pop it over again like that, okay? And then pop it through the loop again, and then hold it up like that, all right? Then we're going to do the same thing again. Mine is all out now, but there we go. We're going to do the same thing again here, and then pop it like that. And then pop this one through, and then oops, like that. So this is forming a knitted kind of chunky pattern like that. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm actually gonna rubble this up for you because it's really annoying. Okay, obviously you are going to have one like this, so I'm going to just keep it like that. Right. So we want to keep it quite tight. So hold this, and then this is going to be a really, really thin one, and we're going to have this on the outside, aren't we? So this piece of yarn needs to go to the outside and pass under, and when you do this, you can kind of feel it clicking over into place, and then you're going to pull tight on this and then pop it through like you have done before. And then when you turn it, you want to turn them all facing the same way. So this one is where the one on the left is on the inside, if that makes any sense. Okay, and then we're going to do that again. So we're going to put that through, pop this underneath, and then pull that in. And I'm doing these so tight, just because it just makes for a really neat look. It looks lovely and neat. And what I might even do is stop at the top and do that again on the other side, just to make them symmetrical. So then we're going to do that, pop that under, and then as it's going to go upwards, your knit is going to be even more. You're going to have a thicker knit at the top. There we go. And then you put it as tight as you can. There you go. Do that real tight. And if you want I mean, it's totally up to you. You can have it like this, or you can have it like this. So let me know in the comments which one, which side you prefer. I think I might like the other side actually. And as it gets bigger, you can not do the stitches as tight to kind of keep up with that, or make it kind of larger if you like. So we're going to make these a little bit bigger. See how that looks. And you just kind of make sure all of the wire is covered as much as you can. So that's one side, and because we want it to mirror the other side, we're going to do exactly the same thing on this side. So I'm going to cut this yarn here. And then pull that completely through. And just tighten this up a little bit. And then ideally that's going to kind of go underneath the other side. So just kind of chop it in a short tail. Okay. Right, so now we are going to do the other side, and we're going to make it look like this side. That's why we didn't go all the way around. So you can always just go all the way around, but I just wanted it to go up, like arch up like that. We tie our knot round, we do our loop, and that goes up like that, and then you do it as small as you can. So you put your thumb and forefinger through, pull up a loop like that, and then you are gonna pass your yarn over so it's at the back of the frame, and then you're gonna pull it through the middle and up, oops, like that, through like this. Not too bad. And remember, if you want it really tight like I've done it, just kind of keep on pushing it down and make sure the loops are not too big. When you're doing this as well, make sure your loop is not twisted. So if they're all going to kind of be facing up, front facing like this one is, and then you can see like the little ladder thingies in between. So the yarns can be passed underneath or from the front to the back. Oops. Like that. So see how that's kind of twisted, and this is front facing, so you want it front facing like this. Okay, now you're going to see that obviously the frame is going to be going a bit wider, so just take a bit of care. It actually looks nice when you loosen the stitches a little bit here, because it's going to be following the shape of the heart, which is a little bit wider. And then you're going to see these, okay, so you just want to close these gaps up. Okay, I think this is the last one. I'm just for fun, I'm going to count them, because I wouldn't ordinarily do this, but I'm just going to think if they are symmetrical, they should have about the same number of stitches on each side. Nothing in craft is perfect, but it is perfect. It's imperfectly perfect. So let's just see. So we've got this weird stitch here. I think there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, that's, and then you've got these kind of bits which are kind of a 16. And then what I was going to do with this one is just kind of like thread it through here underneath and tuck it under so you can't see it. And I think we might do one more stitch just because of this. You can see this wire here, so let's do one more stitch, and that might be like the middle stitch or whatever. And then we're going to pull it out. And then tighten it up. Now the good thing about this wool is that you can reshape it. So like if you find any bits that are not symmetrical enough as you'd like or anything like that, then you can easily kind of reshape it. And I kind of want to, so that's that. I'm going to cut this off. And I will be dealing with this as well. I think, I don't know. Last night I was like, maybe it could hang down, but it kind of looks like a beard. I'm not sure about that. So I think this one, all we'll do, if this is going to be the front of your heart, which I think it's going to be the front of mine, is to thread it through and underneath somewhere. So this is, I can't decide, this is really pretty as well, but I think what I'll do is kind of get that. You can do it, and you can have it any side you like, really. And then tuck it like that, okay? And you can just play around with these stitches and make sure they're kind of all neat. I think this is nice, and it's heart shape. And I'm gonna just, what I'll do with this, I'm just gonna kind of loop it through until you can't see the frame anymore. Let's get rid of some of this bulk. If you cut it on a slant, then it will be more wispy and it won't be as like blocky. So you can take some of the weight out, like your hairdresser does. You can tuck some of these wisps in. There you go. There is our heart shape. Then all you want to do is just put something pretty to hang it with. Let's see what ribbon I've got. You could even put a word across the middle, or you could add flowers. Right, I'm just going to hang this for you and show you what it looks like. Really hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would be eternally grateful to you. I do giveaways and things all the time, so I would love you to join my community, and also sign up to my email list at catkemble.com. That would be amazing, and then you'll be in the loop about all of the upcoming stuff that I've got going on and all the new videos that are coming out each time, so you don't ever miss a video. I really hope you have a lovely day. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.